Welcome, everybody. My name is Prince Abraham Chipalawangun. Quickly share with you the information about the most amazing platform, QZ Asset Management. It's the time to talk about BDAI Intelligent, the system that is helping people to make money, whether they have knowledge or they don't have knowledge about crypto, they have knowledge about trading, they have knowledge about Forex, they have knowledge about indices, they have knowledge about stocks. The company is saying you can make money right here in QZ. So the company is giving you the opportunity to do it without any stress, without thinking a lot, without wasting so much knowledge or resources. Why? Because they have the system called BDAI. What is BDAI? The BDAI, it is a big data intelligent system that they're using. So they're using the artificial intelligence, which is a robot that they're using for them to detect whether they can make profit or not, or they can enter the market or not, or they can now take profit in the business as they will be trading on indices and stocks, right? The company is called QZ Asset Management, and this company, it has now 10 years in existence. I could say now it's more than 10 years when it is in existing. And this company is being spearheaded by the gentleman called Black Young. This gentleman has scooped so many awards in terms of the summits and the conferences of BDAI and the blockchain technology, as well as the events that has been held in Shanghai, China, and also he has won numerous awards also in summit conferences, whereby they will be recognizing the companies that are performing better. So in this case now, guys, let's talk about why are we here, and why you should be able to invest in this platform or trust this business. Okay, this company, it is actually being audited by KPMG, and this company, it has proper registrations that you can check on Chinese website. Also, you can also check it on USA website, where the companies are registered and regulated in USA. Also, the company is now listed on NASDAQ. Why I'm saying so? If you can go and search under the NASDAQ website, you will see that it has now listed the company QZ Asset Management Quinch. Why they've registered that? The company is now managed to register for IPO, which means individual shares that the people can now be able to purchase under the company for those that would want to make money. And also big institutes that want to fund money to the company, they can put their money and they will be able to have the company, like the profit from the company, etc., etc. So now, guys, let's talk about what is on the ground as we speak. Let me just quickly share my screen as we will be talking about why QZ is so much very important, guys. Right, okay, this is the interface where you see the company called QZ. This is where you can log in. The browser for QZ is right here. Login.qzinvest.com. Right, let's look at more information about this business. I'm going to quickly share with you why when I log into my account, and you need to see more information that is coming now. So as I log into this platform, guys, let me just quickly show you a short brief or short memory that is there as we are in the business now. I just log in this, the back office of KZ account. Guys, there is going to be a grand opening of a new office in South Africa, Sandton. Remember, we have one office that was opened in January in Durban, and now we have another open office that is going to be opened here in Johannesburg, Sandton. Then, guys, why don't you think that this platform is real? The company is doing so well, and other people are wondering, is the company going to continue operating? Is it going to pay people? Guys, it's paying. It's really, really paying. Let me just quickly read this for you. We are delighted to announce that our new office in South Africa will officially launch on 11 June 2023, which is now we are in May. On the 11th June, it's just closed by it's less than a month. Sunday, the 3,000 square feet premises will be the second office, QZ office to open in the African nation and strategically located in Johannesburg, the economic hub of South Africa. It will serve as a strategic location for growing our business in the region and is expected to create many opportunities for the company in the coming future. So guys, think of it. This company is registered and it is actually having offices in South Africa. It's opening new offices. That means the company is real. So guys, let's talk about why we should celebrate. To celebrate this grand occasion, the company will be inviting senior members of the top management to attend the special event, including myself, which is the CEO, CFO Chen Jing, the CEO is called Black Yang, and Managing Director of Asia Pacific, Roger Sim, Managing Director of Emerging Markets, Mark Zhu, and CTO Panjao Chandra, and Chief HR Officer of Wong Kang Jing, as well as the Director of Operations in Africa, Mago Heng. So guys, this is why I prefer this platform called QZ. Guys, I'm not gonna read everything. You join the platform, connect with us, then we can talk more about this exciting information about this business. So the trip will also serve an opportunity for our top executive to witness firsthand the strength of the of QZ community in South Africa and to meet the dedicated and outstanding leaders behind our operations in Africa. This will help them to evaluate the suitability and viability of Johannesburg office to be the regional headquarters for the entire African continent. Guys, it's not a small thing, it's very big, very big. Okay, let's look at what this company is. As you can see, this account already, it is ranked as a VIP account. We'll look at what are the earnings of a VIP, right? And already, guys, this account I've already won a trip to USA. So let's start on that. For you to win a trip to USA, you need to have qualified to the following ranks. These are the ranks for USA qualifiers, guys. As you can see, these are the ranks, and for someone to be qualified, they will get a reward that they'll get and also a trip. You can see this is a trip that we have, and the company is helping people that are building the business. And guess what, guys? It is happening right before your eyes. So guys, this account is already qualified to go to a USA trip. So let me just quickly check and confirm if I want to go to, because I already have another ticket. So let me just claim, because the government says if you don't want to go with this account and with your information of this account, you can claim the money and use the money for your own purposes, because you have already qualified and you deserve that reward. It has been offered to you. It's a choice to take as cash or you can go for a trip. So in this case, I'm gonna just say I'm requesting for cash. So I'll come and click on USA trip. Then I say this is one ticket, right? USA ticket right there. And if you're attending, you click attend US trip. If you're not attending, you click not attending US trip and upload successfully. That means I said I'm not going to UK. The company is going to give me the money that I deserve to get, which is the reward of how much? Let's look at it. The information is also right there behind the system again. Okay, let me just go into details now and start sharing the business to those that want to hear more information about the business right now. Okay, here we are. QZ Asset Management. Right. Just make it full screen right here. second. Okay. Right. So, guys, this company, it is a company that is based in China, Hong Kong, and it has also have offices in Hong Kong, Japan, Malaysia, South Africa. Already, you already seen that I show you already that there are offices in South Africa. And now let's move to the next part. Right? A disclaimer of this information. This presentation contains general information only and should not be considered to be comprehensive or support to compromise all the information that an investor should consider when making an investment decision. So guys, I'm saying I'm only sharing the information based on the history of the company and of what I have experienced and the future of the company. Guys, you see it, and if it's a matter of believing and knowing that you are going to really make money, right? Let me just go to the next page where we'll be talking about serious monies in QZ. Right. Guys, this company says what matters to you matters to us as QZ Asset Management, and it is tailored financial approach. Like I said, the company has been like it has more than 10 years in existence, and it has been managed like it has managed our clients' wealth and served them as a trusted and holistic advisors. In all we do, we are inspired by our purpose, creating value beyond wealth. That's what the company say. And QZ Asset Management is uh, present in over 4 countries, more than 30 locations, headquartered, but now it's more than 4 countries, and headquartered in China, Jinzhou, and we are licensed and regulated by the Asset Management of China, AMEC, with a client-centric approach. We manage over Chinese Chinese New Year 50 billion on behalf of institutional and private clients. Right. I'm not going to explain all this part here, but I'm going to talk about this year. This company is saying through our proprietary and award-winning fintech solution, the QZ Big Data and Artificial Intelligence (BDAI) analytics, we have consistently achieved strong growth momentum in all markets. That's very true. And I believe we do all understand. Here is the registration of the company. If you want to find more information, go to the Chinese website and you search for the information. This is the information about the registration of the company. And here, the company it has auditors, which is KPMG. We all know that KPMG is the auditor for all companies that are registered. And we have legal and compliances that is being checked and also partnering with vendors, because vendors will never confirm the legality and the compliance of the company when the company is not existing. And then we have liquidity providers, which is JP Morgan Chase, Barclays, and we have ICBC, the Bank of China, and we also have China Construction Bank. These are the banks that you are seeing here that we are partnering with, guys, in this business. These are liquidity providers that can assure that we are actually building the business, and we have the accounts with them, and etc. etc. Now let's look at this part now. This is the driver of growth, a path to success. The CEO of the company, Black Young, the professor, and he has a certification in Chartered Financial Analyst (CFI), which is the highest certificate on level 3. He's actually a doctorate in economics, and he also attended the London School of Economics and Pioneer in Finance Award at Shanghai FinTech Summit 2019. He won an award, and he is spearheading this company that we're talking about today, and he has built the remarkable growth of 2,000% over 6 years ago. That is amazing. This is the institutional leader behind our success. You can see him there. These are magazines from China. Black Young is featured on Times Figure magazines. That means this is the gentleman that is visible. We are using BDAI intelligence for us to make money in this business. So like this BDAI system or robot, it helps us to analyze or deploy the market data in milliseconds with an ultra high adoption rate under the market any market situation. That means it's quite very fast. Okay, guys, in FinTech Leadership Award, we actually win an award in Shanghai, and we another award in Korea. These are only about artificial intelligence, guys. Right? We have the products here. Thematic investment, investing in stock indices. That's what we are doing, right? So this company is doing so well, guys. They deployed their BDAI and is doing all that, and is actually helping in objecting and generating momentous growth in a sustainable manner. Look at it. The Standard and the Standard and Poor's 50, like 500 index, S&P 500, that's the Standard and Poor 500 index, is the best single gauge of large cap US equities and captures approximately 80% of the available market capitalization. Trading the S&P 500 with BDI technology allows us to hedge our risk, maximize gains while reducing exposure. This is what we are talking about here, guys. And these are the superior trading charts that you can see here, the 5-year trading chart, and the percentage you can see. We have this technology for, and financial, healthcare of all these Pfizer, Johnson Morris, and Johnson Jones, and we have JP Morgan, we have Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and all that. Let's look at where the achievement and the highlights of the business is. These are the innovations forum that they've joined, that you can see here. Also here, you can see the event that our CEO was also involved. There the gentleman is, there the gentleman is, there the gentleman is also giving speech and being honored. So in 2019, he also attended the Shanghai Financial Technology Innovation Forum, which was and he won a prestigious award presented by to QZ Management and Black Yang from the Shanghai Financial Technology Innovation Forum, because of the amazing part of what he is doing, changing the award or changing the world. So here we have the 8th China 21st to 23rd June 2019. That was International Financial Exchange Expo for Golden Fair. And there was 1,000 visitors attended the expo, 3,000 journalists from more than 90 mainstream media locally and abroad covered in 3 days. Look at him, he is there. And guys, that tells you that this guy, he is amazing. A total exhibition covered 45,000 square meters, and he was also there. Right, look at this, guys. Now BDI conference that he was in, the annual event he held about in Guangzhou, and more than 1,000 investors and employees invited to attend. So he was also there as well, and people from KZ were also invited. Guys, I can't mention everything. As you can see right before your eyes, this is amazing, guys. And this company is doing so well, guys. It is doing so well. I advise those that are watching this to make sure you make a decision right now and join QZ Asset Management. You can see these are the award winnings and all that. Guys, let's go to the stake of the business. Right here, the company actually it says what matters to you matters to us, and they use the dual benefit or zero loss in terms of the business. When you come with your capital, they said the BDAI will help us to make money, and what they do, they put the dual assets under management, which is DAU, whereby if you come with $100, they also add another $100. They put it on or like in the system, and BDAI will do this. Its own business, and in that case, whatever the BDAI trades on, whenever the market is going down, remember BDI is quite very intelligent to quickly cut off the profit before it goes below 50%. And obviously, our capital is protected in that case. So effectively, it will double our profit because it has much intelligent system behind it. So there's zero loss in it. And let's look into the other part. Okay, guys, this is where we are talking about. This is actually the darkness. You can see QZ basic package. These are the package that are very low. It pays 0.5. So I'm only going to jump to the elite package where you get 1% every single day and you make 7% every week. So guys, you need to calculate every day when you jump in this business. The company will say every day you're going to make 1%, and the time that you make a total amount of 400%, which is going to be 56 weeks. It all depends with the package that you start with. And every Monday of the day of the week, you can make your withdrawal, and your amount will be in your back office that will be waiting for you to withdraw. Right, guys, I'm not going to talk of the first package because it's a very smaller one. I'm going to talk about the 1000U, which is actually AUM, and it pays you 7% and 1% daily. It pays you up to 400x, like 400%, which is 4x of whatever that you invested. Let's say you invest $1,000. The company will say at the end of the contract, you get how much? $4,000. And every day you are earning 1%. And also at the same time, you can withdraw your money when you reach $10 and above. And also the company is trading for you, is guaranteeing you that you won't make any loss, right? And now let's look at this. When we talk about the difference between the two, we are using the BDA intelligent and people that are using traditional investment. So this is the difference, guys. When you use traditional investment, uh, um, your returns, it is based on your AUM, which is one single trade, and double, like when you come to QZ, it doubles and it gives you time two. That's the difference. And there's 100% capital protection in QZ asset management versus traditional, and there's low transparency in traditional versus we have full transparency in QZ. And there is the escrow is not applicable because they are not partnering in anything, they're not verifiable, so they are just doing straight by themselves without the BDA intelligence. We are actually following the system, and this escrow, it is the third part whereby it will allow you to not to lose your money. It only release your money when the capital is fully confirmed that you make profit and is sent to you. You are not going to lose your money. If the company make a loss, the company will, like escrow will say, will return back the money before it get to third part. So that's how it is, that the advantage of using BDAI under QZ asset management. And in the traditional, it's being traded by human. And when you send someone to go and trade and you give them money, they're stressed, they cannot be able to articulate and analyze properly the market. But the BDA system, it's already meant for that. It does know, it is actually, yes, the exactly decision making that is crazy and seriously. So guys, this is the amazing part of the business. I'm not going to explain everything, but if you want more information, inbox me. My name is Prince Abraham Chiparawi. I'm going to talk about this part, but we'll meet again on the next presentation. Thank you so much.